Welcome to our channel. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Today, we're diving into a story that's not only fun but also full of opportunities to learn English in a natural, engaging way. This isn't just any story, it's a journey, a chance to experience how English comes alive in real-life situations. Stay with us, because every moment is crafted to captivate you and help you improve your language skills. Ready? Let's get started. The unexpected journey. Emma is a 22-year-old student who lives in a quiet town surrounded by hills and rivers. She loves reading, dreaming of adventures, but she rarely steps out of her comfort zone. That all changes one Saturday morning. It's 7 a.m., and the sunlight streams through Emma's bedroom window. The smell of freshly brewed coffee drifts from the kitchen. Emma sits at her desk, staring at a blank notebook page. Today is her writing day, but she feels stuck. "What do I write about?" she mutters. Her cat, Luna, meows as if to answer. Emma laughs and pats her furry companion. Her phone buzzes. It's a text from her best friend, Mark. "Let's go on an adventure today. Say yes." Emma hesitates but types back, "Where to?" Mark replies, "Just trust me. Be ready in an hour." An hour later, Mark's car pulls up outside. Emma hops in, feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness. "Where are we going?" she asks. "You'll see," Mark says with a grin. The car speeds away, leaving the town behind. The first challenge. They arrive at a small airport. Emma's eyes widen. "A flying lesson? Are you serious?" Mark laughs. "Yes. It's time to do something completely different. Don't worry, it's safe." Emma reluctantly agrees, and soon, she's sitting in a tiny plane with an instructor. The cockpit is full of buttons and levers. The instructor explains everything slowly, using clear, simple English. "This is the throttle. Push it gently to increase speed," he says. Emma's hands tremble, but she follows his instructions. The plane lifts off, and her fear turns into amazement. The view is breathtaking: green fields, winding rivers, and tiny houses below. "You're doing great," the instructor says. Emma smiles. She realizes she's learning something new and exciting. A surprise stop. After the flight, Mark drives them to a nearby town. "Let's grab some lunch," he says. They find a cozy café with a welcoming atmosphere. The menu is in English, with unfamiliar words like quiche and brioche. Emma hesitates but asks the waiter politely, "What do you recommend?" The waiter smiles. "Our spinach quiche is very popular." Emma orders it and enjoys every bite. She learns that asking questions is a great way to navigate new situations in English. The unexpected encounter. After lunch, they walk through the town square, where a street musician plays the guitar. A small crowd gathers. Emma notices a sign that says, "Open mic, join us." "You should sing," Mark teases. "No way." Emma laughs. But the musician overhears and says, "Come on, give it a try. It's fun." Emma hesitates but eventually agrees. She chooses a simple song she knows well. Her voice is shaky at first, but as the crowd cheers, she gains confidence. After her performance, a woman approaches her. "Your English pronunciation is really good. Are you a native speaker?" the woman asks. Emma blushes. "No, but I'm learning." "You're doing amazing. Keep it up," the woman says. This small moment boosts Emma's confidence. She realizes that using English in real situations can be empowering. A lesson in resilience. Their final stop is a hiking trail that leads to a hidden waterfall. The hike is long and challenging. Mark chats about his travels, and Emma listens, asking questions in English. She practices phrases like, "Tell me more," and "What was that like?" Halfway up the trail, Emma slips and falls. Her knee is scraped, and she wants to give up. "You've got this," Mark encourages. "We're almost there." Emma takes a deep breath and continues. When they reach the waterfall, she forgets her pain. The water cascades down like liquid silver, and the sound is soothing. "This is incredible," Emma says, snapping photos. She feels proud of herself for pushing through. Reflecting on the day. As the sun sets, Mark drives them home. Emma reflects on her day. She flew a plane, sang in public, and hiked to a waterfall. More importantly, she used English in ways she never imagined. She learned to ask questions, express herself, and even face challenges with resilience. "Today was amazing," Emma says. "Thank you for pushing me out of my comfort zone." "Anytime," Mark replies. Emma smiles, knowing this is just the beginning of her English learning journey. And that's Emma's unexpected journey. Did you notice how she used English in so many different situations? From asking questions at the cafe to singing on stage, every moment was an opportunity to practice. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We share stories, tips, and lessons that make learning English exciting and fun. Don't miss our next video, it's packed with more adventures and ways to improve your English. See you soon, and keep learning.